everyone, welcome back to Gardening from Square One. If you are a home gardener looking for a way to save money while creating a beautiful and enchanting garden, you are in the right place. For all intents and purposes, I garden on a blank slate property. My current project is filling in the front of my long bed. Now, I've estimated that it will take about 40 to 45 plants to fill in this space, so I am always actively looking for deals and ways to cut costs. To be perfectly honest, if I had a ton of money, this would have been stamped done in 2023. However, I must admit that there is much to be enjoyed and always things to learn from the process. As a result, today I am thrilled to share a few ways to save money while filling your garden with landscape plants and even decorative art. So, one hack and way that you can improve your soil um, in a more natural manner is to plant Japanese daikon radish from seed. Now, this is a root vegetable, so it's going to grow underground like carrots. It's going to have top growth that will sprout above ground, and eventually it'll have flowers that will set seed. Now, you're going to want to cut off the tops so the foliage that's above ground before these plants set seed, and you have the radish growing all over the place. But the key part of this is you're going to leave the roots and the plants in the ground so they can rot over winter. The underground remnants will leave you with deep plugs of organic matter throughout your beds. The next way to save money is to buy native or recommended plants. Now, people often talk about the importance of native plants at a broader environmental level, which is definitely important. But there is a direct benefit individuals can derive from growing native plants. The thing about these plants is they have a greater tendency to thrive in our areas without the need for a lot of soil amendments, fertilizers, supplemental watering. So, not having to do additional amounts of that definitely cuts costs and without a lot of maintenance. So, buying native plants can not only save money, but they can save time. Many local nurseries often stock plants that are great for the areas they service, and local county cooperative extension offices often have a plethora of information, including recommended plant lists. Another way to save money is to buy 3-gallon perennial plants that can be divided. Last summer, I bought ultimately 5 Mystic Spire salvias mid season. I saw them at the local grocery store, so HEB, for $14.98. So the HEB has a nursery that's part of the grocery store. So I spent $75, but divided each 3-gallon plant into 3 1-gallon plants. So ultimately, I ended up with 15 1-gallon Mystic Spire salvia at a cost of approximately $5 each. These 15 plants filled my landscape in the desired areas with the Mystic Spire salvia. So be on the lookout for 3-gallon plants that you can divide into 3 1-gallon plants. Also, plant fast growing large evergreen shrubs and fast growing perennials because they will fill your garden space quickly, taking up more square footage with one plant versus a bunch of plants that grow slowly, take time to really fill in, or they just don't take up as much space filling in the gaps or areas of your garden. Another way to save money is to network. Check out Facebook Marketplace, plant fairs, join a local plant society. Quite often they have events where members will sell cuttings at a low price of cuttings of plants that they have actually grown. There are swap meets where vendors sell plants at a lower price point. You can contact friends and family members who are avid gardeners. If they grow perennials and have had their gardens for at least 3 to 4 years, odds are during spring or fall they are dividing plants that they may want to share with you. The final tip on my list is get creative. What's old can become new again. Scour flea markets, garage sales, and secondhand stores looking for items that you can give a new life to. All the plastic and things that you recycle, believe it or not, there are ways to upcycle the things that we are recycling to give them a new look as well. Look for sales and stock up on supplies even before you may need them. So there you have it. 5 money-saving hacks and tips for gardening to help you fill your garden with plants, to amend your soil, and to, make some creative garden art. Of these items, what are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and have a great day in your garden. Bye.